Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to explain to you the essential baking accessories to own. Baking is both a science and an art. Whether you're new to baking or if you're a master chef, it requires the right tools if you want to make the perfect dish. When buying these accessories, however, you have to consider numerous factors such as their quality and performance. You might end up getting overwhelmed by what to buy and which brand to choose from. To help you out, we have prepared you a list of the 10 essential baking accessories to own. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. The first accessory in our list would be the electric stand mixer. This may be a bit expensive, however, it'll be a great help in the long run. These mixers have standard attachments such as a whip, paddle, and dough hook. The mixers do all the work when such as creaming butter, mixing batter, kneading dough, whipping egg whites, and so much more. Our team's recommendation for an electric stand mixer is the KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixers. This stand mixer is equipped with a 3.5 quarts brushed stainless steel bowl, large enough for mixing 5 dozen cookies. Our team also likes to highlight its 10 optimized speeds that are powerful enough to take on almost any task. Our team finds its slow start feature very helpful since it prevents ingredients from splashing by starting at a low speed. The mixer's tilt head design provided us with clear access to the bowl, allowing us to easily add ingredients. Our team at In The Home highly recommends this for serious bakers because of its remarkable performance when processing large quantities of ingredients. The second accessory on our list would be the silicone spatula. A spatula is a versatile tool capable of scooping every bit of batter from the mixing bowl. Our ordinary spatula would be sufficient for scraping. However, a silicone one has heat-resistant capabilities. This makes it a great choice for both sautéing and cooking eggs. Our team recommends getting one with a long handle for convenience. Our team's recommendation for a silicone spatula is the U-Taste Silicone Spatula Sets. The spatula set can withstand up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. Included in the set are a 9.72-inch jar spatula, an 11.38-inch large spatula, and an 8.94-inch mini spatula. Our team likes to note its ability to stay stiff enough to bear pressure, while it's soft enough to reach the both sides. It's also dishwasher safe, saving our team the time to clean it by hand. This 3-piece set is perfect for doing a variety of tasks. Our team highly recommends this for any kitchen. The third accessory in our list would be the rolling pin. As we all know, rolling pins have flattened out its shape a variety of ingredients such as dough, pie, and pastry crusts to name a few. For beginner bakers, the roller type is the easiest to use while it requires minimal pressure. Getting a good quality pin will definitely serve you well in the long run. Our team's recommendation for a rolling pin is the Ultra Cuisine Professional Tapered French Rolling Pin. This durable and lightweight pin has a smooth, 100% stainless steel, non-porous surface. This allows our team to efficiently roll cookies, pie, pizza, and so much more. The tool is easily cleaned by hand and is also conveniently dishwasher safe. It measures 15.75 inches long with a 1.5-inch diameter and weighs 10 ounces. Our team likes to highlight its easy-to-roll taper design that senses the thickness of the dough. Its tactile feedback lets you know exactly how much pressure is needed. You also have the option to chill the rolling pin in the freezer to prevent the dough from getting warm. This is thanks to the pin's stainless steel cooling properties. Our team considers it a very practical and effective rolling pin to own. The fourth accessory on our list would be the mixing bowls. Instead of buying mixing bowls of various sizes, we would recommend getting a few 4 to 5 quart stainless steel bowls and one glass bowl of the same size. Our team advises against getting the aluminum type since acidic ingredients may react with the metal that'll affect your food's flavor. Our team's recommendation for a mixing bowl is the PriorityChef Premium Mixing Bowls. This top-rated set is made of industry-standard stainless steel that's extremely long-lasting, while also remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The bowls come in 1.5, 2, 3, 4, and 5 quarts capacities. Their non-slip silicone base is non-toxic and keeps your bowl in place as you mix your ingredients. Our team likes to highlight the etched measurements inside the bowl that conveniently serves as its own measuring cup. To keep your food fresh, the bowls are equipped with tight-fitting BPA-free lids, making them non-toxic. Our team likes to note that these bowls are dishwasher safe, saving you the time to clean them by hand. Its high quality, unique features, and versatility make it perfect for all baking enthusiasts. The fifth accessory in our list would be the measuring cups and spoons. Our team recommends a glass measuring cup with a spout for liquid ingredients, and the 2-cup size would be the best choice. We also recommend a set of metal measuring cups ranging from 1 cup to a 1/4 cup, along with a set of metal measuring spoons. When choosing a measuring spoon set, be sure to get one that comes with a 1/2 tablespoon measure for accuracy. Our team's recommendation for measuring cups and spoons is the OXO Good Grips Measuring Cups and Spoon Set. The set of spoons and cups are designed to make leveling ingredients accurate and easy. The set includes 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup sizes. In addition, it also has 1/4, 1/2, and 1 teaspoon sizes, as well as a 1 tablespoon size. Our team likes to mention their magnetic handles that keep the cups and spoons together for easy storage. This feature also allows you to remove them one by one. Their handles feature permanent measurement engravings that allowed us to distinguish each one. The team also likes to point out that they're made of sturdy stainless steel construction with a non-slip grip. Lastly, they're all dishwasher safe, saving you the time of cleaning them by hand. Due to their variety of sizes and accurate measuring performance, our team finds these perfect for bakers that are very particular about measuring ingredients. The sixth accessory in our list would be the dough blender and cutter. A dough blender is used to work solid fats, sticky bread doughs, dividing and lifting portions, and removing extra bits off surfaces. Dough blenders are also great for pulling up delicate pastry dough and moving it to a pie pan in one piece. Our team's recommendation for a dough blender and cutter is the Spring Chef Dough Blender. This dough blender has sturdy and thick metal blades. It allowed our team to provide better texture during baking. This resulted in our team making flakier and fluffier pizza dough, pie crusts, and biscuits. Our team found it capable of efficiently cutting uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour that create a more favorable end product. In addition, it allowed us to cut through cold butter with ease. Our team likes to highlight its comfortable soft grip handle that perfectly fits small and medium hand sizes. The blender's thick rubber is much safer than its plastic counterpart, making it a great choice for individuals with arthritis. Overall, our team finds it incredibly versatile. Not only is it great for cutting butter or dough, but it can also chop a wide variety of ingredients such as fruits, soft vegetables, or nuts. It's definitely a must-have in the kitchen. The seventh accessory on our list would be the digital scale. This is possibly the most important accessory in today's list. Since flour is the primary baking ingredient, getting its measurement all wrong would spoil a perfectly good dish. Our team recommends getting a digital scale that can be set to grams and has a tare function so you can get the exact measurement of your ingredient. Our team's recommendation for a digital scale is the Etekcity food scale. The digital scale has an 11-pound capacity with 0.1 ounce or 1 gram increments. The scale is equipped with high-precision strain gauge sensors that provided our team with accurate results. Our team likes to highlight its vivid blue backlit LCD display for clear readout in kilograms, pounds, and ounces. In addition, the scale also has a low battery and overload indicator. The scale is made of long-lasting stainless steel material, while it has a detachable bowl for easy mixing and pouring of ingredients. Lastly, our team also likes to make mention of its room temperature sensor and alarm timer that may help you accomplish more tasks during baking. Our team would like to commend its precise measuring ability as well as its multiple functions. Without a doubt, our team finds this a must-have in every kitchen. The eighth accessory in our list would be the cake pan. For baking cakes, our team would like to recommend a pair of round 8-inch cake pans. Most cake recipes have 2 layers. It's either an 8-inch or a 9-inch. This means you'll be needing 2 pans. If not, you won't be able to bake the 2 layers simultaneously. Our team suggests sturdy aluminum pans that have 2-inch high sides. This gives your cakes room to rise. Our team's recommendation for a cake pan is the Cuisinart Chef's classic Nonstick Bakeware round cake pan. This 9-inch round cake pan is made with heavy-gauge aluminized steel for balanced heat distribution and consistent baking results. It has a durable nonstick coating on its interior and exterior surface. Our team likes to make mention of its thick rolled edges that prevent the pan from warping when exposed to high temperatures. The pan is also dishwasher safe, saving us the time to clean it by hand. At the time of making this video, the pan comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which removes any doubts if you decide to purchase one. Overall, this pan is sturdy, reliable, and provided our team with an evenly baked cake. We recommend this to both beginner and expert bakers. The ninth accessory on our list would be the cookie cutter. While cookie cutters come in different shapes and sizes, it would be best for a beginner to start off with a set of plain round cutters. Our team also suggests getting a set with simple designs or fluted round ones. Each set comes in various sizes to help you cut all types of dough such as cookies, biscuits, empanadas, and ravioli. Our team's recommendation for a cookie cutter is the Wilton flower cookie cutter. This cookie cutter comes in a set of 3 different shapes, a rose, a flower, and a fluted round design. The cutter is made of coated metal, making them built to last. Upon testing the set, our team was able to cut through anything such as bread or cookie dough. Our team highly recommends the Wilton flower cookie cutter for children or beginners since it's not sharp enough to injure your hands. In addition, these cutters are very easy to use while it's also dishwasher safe. The last accessory in our list would be the baking sheet. Your baking experience will never be complete without a set of baking sheets. Our team recommends getting a 3/4 sheet pan at 21 by 15 inches or a half sheet pan at 18 by 13 inches. It would be best to get several pans for you to be able to constantly bake everything such as yeast, bread, cookies, or sheet cakes. Our team's recommendation for a baking sheet is the Nordic Ware Natural Aluminum Commercial Baker's Half Sheet. This 2-piece set is made of pure aluminum that's extremely durable and rust-resistant. Its superior heat conductivity allows it to evenly bake and brown foods. Our team likes to highlight the pan's reinforced encapsulated steel rim that adds to its overall strength and prevents warping. This baking pan is also compatible with parchment paper or silicone baking mats if desired. Our team finds the sheets easy to clean while we recommend hand washing it for proper maintenance. The sheet's exterior dimensions are 17.88 by 12.88 by 1.06 inches, while its interior dimensions are 16.5 by 11.38 by 1 inches. We consider this a great choice for all baking enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks, the 10 essential baking accessories to own along with our product recommendations in case you're missing any of them in your kitchens. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to link it over for our next update on the subject. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.